Now then, let's say you wanna add a file. You wanna add a video to your website, and you want it to be in the table. You would simply do one of two things. If you want a line in between, here are some of my videos, you would start a new row and a new table. If you didn't want one, you would simply do another list item. But I want a line in between mine, so I'm going to do TR for table row and close that, and TD for table data column, and in between those I will go get the code for my video, or you could just put the location if you have the video saved to your computer. But I'm going to go get the code off of a YouTube video. So let's see here, youtube.com. For that to come up, search for a video. Click on any random video you want. And down here you will see that it says embedded. You will click that. And you'll choose how you want the template of the video to look, what color you want it to be. As you can see, when I change these, it changes there. And then you'll choose the resolution of the video. And then you'll just copy this code. Oh, and you can also include related videos, and you can have it be played in HD. So you'll just copy the code, bring back up your file, and you will do LI to make it a list item. Actually, it doesn't even have to be a list item. Let's say I don't want it to be a list item. You'll just save it. And you'll bring back up your site, and as you can see, here is that video. I can hit play and it'll start to load the video. It might take it a few seconds, but once it loads, it will play. Let's just give it a few seconds, and there it goes. It is now playing, and we go to, it's playing in HD because I chose HD. We'll go to the end and play. Wait for it to load some. We'll just make that, put that over there while we're waiting for it to load. But so while we're waiting for that, let's say, okay, it sounds like that's done now. Yes, it is. Okay, and there's the end of the video. Now usually there would be more videos popping up that are related to that video, but what I've done when I was in YouTube was there was an option to include those videos, but I did not click that option, so they are not there. But if I wanted them, I could go back, click that option, copy the code over this code, and they would be there. It is playing in HD because I chose that option. If I don't want it to play in HD, then I can simply get rid of that option. There were a few options that I showed you that you can use. But let's say now, we've got our videos. Let's say we want a picture or an image in here. We can put it in the table, or we can put it anywhere else. Let's say we don't want it in the table. Let's say we want it above the table. We would simply go above the table, and we would open the tag and put IMG SRC equals and quotation marks. And then if you have it saved to your, if you have the image saved to your computer, you can go to the you can simply list the folder it's under and list the file path that it is saved to. Or if it's off the internet, just go get that photo. Say we want one from Google Images. Of an apple. Just click on any of these. See full image. And we would just take this URL up here. And paste it there. Now, I do not have permission to use their picture, so I will not do that though. And then you will just use a close quotation mark after you've entered it, and a greater than symbol to close that tag, or to complete that tag. Now then, you do not have to close the image source tag. It's one of the few exemptions. Another exemption is, let's say on my site, where it says welcome to, and then it says my site. Let's say I want it to be welcome to on one line and my site on the next line. Now then, you could go through all of this again, through the paragraph and H1 and bold, or you can simply go into in between welcome to and my site. Here's welcome to, here's my site. You'll go in between that, and you will tag BR for break. This is another exemption where you do not have to close the tag. Now then, you will save, and you'll refresh over here, and now it says welcome to, it breaks, and then it says my site. This has been AIM46, and I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.